Imagine your grandchildren living in a paid-off house, attending the best schools, never worrying about money, all because of the decisions you made today. That's the power of generational wealth. But here's the truth. Generational wealth doesn't happen by accident. It's built intentionally. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step plan to build wealth that lasts beyond your lifetime. Whether you're starting with a little or a lot, you will learn how to build, protect, and pass on wealth the smart way. Hey lovely people, welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. On this channel, we'll talk about personal finance and we'll break down money matters that affect our everyday life. Let's get started. Step 1. Shift your mindset. The first step to building generational wealth is changing how you think about money. Most people think short term about the next paycheck, next bill, or next holiday, but wealthy families think long term. Ask yourself, what financial legacy do I want to leave behind? Generational wealth starts with a decision to stop living for just now and start building for the future. A quick tip: write down your financial goals for the next 30 years, not just the next 3. Step 2. Get financially stable. You can't build wealth if you're drowning in debt or living paycheck to paycheck. Your first financial milestone: stability. That means creating a budget and tracking expenses, building an emergency fund, paying off high interest debt or any debt at all that you have. Think of this as laying the foundation of your financial house. You can't build higher until the base is strong. Step 3. Build multiple streams of income. Wealthy families rarely rely on one income stream. To build generational wealth, you need to multiply your money sources. Your job or career is your active income. Add side hustles or freelancing, then grow passive income from investments, rental properties, royalties, or online businesses. The goal: let your money start working for you even while you sleep. Step 4. Invest smartly. Generational wealth requires your money to grow over time, and that means investing. Here are smart places to start. The stock market. You have ETFs, index funds, dividend-paying stocks, or growth stocks that appreciate in capital, although this requires you to trade stocks and a bit of your time. Real estate. Rental properties or land. Business ownership. Start your own or invest in someone else's business. The key is consistency over time. Even small investments, when done consistently and rightly, can grow into massive wealth over 20 to 30 years. Step 5. Protect your wealth. What's the point of building wealth if you don't protect it? Generational wealth needs to be shielded from unexpected losses. Here is how. Get life insurance. Create a will or estate plan. Use trusts to pass on wealth. This is tax efficient. Teach your family how to manage money so it doesn't get wasted. Many families lose their wealth in one generation, not because it wasn't enough, but because it wasn't protected or passed on wisely. Step 6. Educate the next generation. This might be the most overlooked step: passing on financial wisdom. Teach your children how money works, how to invest it, how to avoid debt, how to build on what you started. Give them not just money, but the mindset to preserve and grow it. Legacy isn't just what you leave behind, it's who you raise. So let's recap. We said step 1 is shift your mindset. Step 2, build stability. Step 3, create multiple income streams. Step 4, invest consistently. Step 5, protect your wealth. Step 6. Educate the next generation. You don't have to come from wealth to create it. The path to generational wealth is clear. You just have to start walking it today. Let me know in the comments what step are you on right now. And if you want to understand what to do with your money at different stages in your life so you can be ahead in the game, watch this video next. Thanks for watching. Until next time, remember, a good person leaves an inheritance for their children's children.